Welcome back to Passionate About Tech. Want to split your drive into two? Maybe one part for Windows and another just for your files, photos, or backups? Good news, you do not need any third-party tools for this. And today, I will show you how to create a brand new partition in just a few clicks. Let's get into it. First, let's open the tool. Right-click the Start button, and in the menu that pops up, click Disk Management. Give it a second to load, and you will see every drive and partition on your PC laid out in a list, with a visual map along the bottom. For this example, I am going to work with my main drive on disk 1, my C drive, because it has plenty of free space to spare. You can pick whichever drive has room. To make space for the new partition, we first need to shrink an existing one. Right-click the C drive and choose Shrink Volume. Windows takes a moment to calculate how much space it can safely free up. Now you will see a box asking how much to shrink, measured in megabytes. Here is the thing to know. 1 gigabyte equals 1024 megabytes. So for a 30 gigabyte partition, type 30720. That is 30,720 megabytes. And here's a handy little trick. If you want a different size and do not feel like doing the math, head to a converter site like unitconverters.net. I will leave the link down in the description. Just make sure it uses 1 gigabyte equals 1024 megabytes, because that is how Windows measures it. Pop in the size you want, and it gives you the exact megabyte number to type into that box. Super easy. Once you have got your number in, click Shrink. And there it is. A new block of unallocated space appears, shown in black on the map at the bottom. That is your 30 gigabytes, freed and waiting. Now let's turn that empty space into a usable drive. Right-click that black unallocated block and choose New Simple Volume. A wizard opens. Click Next. It asks for the size. Since we want to use the full 30 gigabytes, just leave it as is and click Next. Now assign a drive letter. Any available letter works, so pick one and click Next. On this screen, leave the file system as NTFS, and if you want, give your new drive a name in the volume label box, something like Backup or Files. Click Next, then Finish. Windows formats it in a couple of seconds, and done. And that is it. Open File Explorer, and your brand new 30 gigabyte partition is sitting right there, ready to use, completely separate from your main Windows drive. No paid software, no risky tricks, just the tool that was already on your PC the whole time. Quick honest recap. You can resize or delete this partition later from that same disk management window whenever you like. If this helped you out, do me a favor, hit that like button and subscribe to Passionate About Tech for more quick Windows guides like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.